Hey, it's chemistry time again. Today we're going to start off with a quick review of finding the mass, and we're going to call this the molar mass this time because we're going to do it in grams. Simple, we know how to do it. It's the second part of this lesson that I need to talk about a little bit, so let's get started on the first part. We're just finding the molar mass, so we're just trying to find mass. So carbon, look on the table, carbon weighs 12. Now, this paper says to go to 3 decimal places. Oh, that's crazy talk. You round to the ones place, right? So you round to the ones place the whole number. So we have carbon is 12 plus oxygen is 16. That brings us up to 28, right? 28 grams. That's it. Lesson done, right? So that part shouldn't be too bad. There are 10 of those, I believe. They shouldn't take you that long at all. If you have any problems with that, let me know. Now let's go on to the real lesson. The second part of this, we're trying to find the percent composition. And the percent composition is the amount of each element in the compound. So we're trying to find out how much carbon there is in carbon dioxide, percent-wise, how much oxygen there is, percent-wise. Not difficult to do. First step, find the mass. Okay, so we have carbon plus oxygen, and there's 2 of them, so 16 times 2, and that equals 44. All right, now, I like to write it out like this, especially for these type of problems, because we're going to need those numbers again, right? Now, trying to find the percent. Find the percent is just like you find the percent if you had a test score. Oh my gosh, I got 32 right out of 44. And so you're going to divide 32 by 44 and times it by 100, and that will equal your percent score. And since I'm doing the actual thing there, 32 divided by 44 is 72.7%. And we'll take this to the tens place. What's that? You also want to know the percent you got wrong? Well, that seems negative. Well, let's do it. So you got 12 wrong out of 44 problems times 100 equals, you can just subtract for 2 of them if you really wanted to, 27 point, actually 3% if we round that up. Okay, and so 72.7% is our oxygen, and this is our percent of carbon. Hey, that's all there really is to it. All right, it's time consuming because you have to find the mass, the molar mass, and then you also have to do the percent of each thing. Now, if there's more than 2 compounds, like the rest of these, you're going to have to do it one for each one. So look at that, number 17, right? So there's lots of little steps in there. And it should be okay though. So you just keep on doing it for each one, find the total mass, and then you just have to find the percent for each one. Okay, hey, that is your lesson for today. That is it. There is only one other thing to do in this chapter, and then we'll have our test. So tomorrow's lesson, which I'm probably going to tape in about 3 minutes, is the final section, because remember, this was really just the ending part of our other lesson. I'm going to quit talking so you guys can enjoy your beautiful day.